Hi, in grid technique I already discussed knapsack problem. Let's discuss next problem, that is job sequencing with deadline. Just imagine a situation in a bank. There is just one counter and one person is sitting there and four customers come and four customers have all different jobs. For every work there are some associated commission, or you can say some profit are there, and for every job there are some deadline. Like for first job deadline is 2, for second job deadline is 1, for third job deadline is 3, for fourth job deadline is 1, and with every job some profit is associated. So what he will do, he will pick the job that is more profitable and it should be complete in the deadline. If it cannot be complete in the deadline, then he will not get the profit. So first he will choose this job as profit is highest. Next, second job, but it cannot finish with deadline 1, as in this slot it already finished this job, so it will skip it. Next it will pick this job, next this job. So that is job sequencing with deadline. Just one person is there and there are multiple job, and for every job there are some profit and deadline is associated, and all come in the same time. It's not a queue, all come in the same time. He need to pick which job he want to do first. So the sequence of jobs on a single processor with deadline constraint is called as job sequencing with deadline. You are given set of jobs or process or task, and each job has some defined profit and deadline. The profit of the job will be given if only it can be finished within the deadline. If it will finish after the deadline, then it will not get the profit, and it is a uniprocessor. There is just single processor and every task needs just 1 unit of time. And it is non-preemptive. Non-preemptive means it cannot hop to another job. First it need to finish one job, then it can go to another job. In between it cannot hop. And all arrival time is same. All arrive at the same time. There is no queue. So how will solve this problem using greedy approach? Greedy algorithm is adopted to determine how the next job is selected for an optimal solution. So in step 1, first we will sort all the job according to decreasing order of their profit. Next, we'll check the maximum deadline. So what is the maximum deadline? According to that, we'll create the Gantt chart. Next, step 3, we'll pick up the job one by one according to decreasing order of their profit, and we'll put the job on Gantt chart as far as possible from 0, ensuring that the job get completed before the deadline, as if it will finish after the deadline it will not get the profit. If n equals to number of job and d equals to maximum deadline, then time complexity is order of n multiplication d. If maximum deadline is also n, then time complexity will be order of n square. And solution space for job sequencing with deadline is 2 power n. Suppose n elements are there, then how many subsets are possible? So 2 power n subsets are possible. That's why solution space is 2 power n. This is all about theoretical part. Let's solve some problem that you can understand. Example 1, n equals to 4 means 4 jobs are there. Job 1 deadline is 2, profit is 115. Job 2 deadline is 1, profit is 20. Job 3 deadline is 2, profit is 30. Job 4 deadline is 1, profit is 80. First we'll write according to decreasing order of their profit. So job 1 have highest profit, I'll write 1 here. Next job 4, next job 3, 3, job 2, 4. I'll create a Gantt chart. Maximum deadline is 2. So highest profit is for J1. It is 115. I'll choose this one and I'll keep it 1 to 2 times slot. Next is job 4. Deadline is 1. Job 4 I'll keep here in first time slot. And total profit will be 115 plus 80. It is 195. Suppose in the Gantt chart J1 deadline is 2, I'll keep J1 here. Then I'll get profit 115. Next job is J4, but its deadline is 1, so I cannot do J4 now. I cannot do job 4 now, as in time slot 1 already one job is there. So if I'll keep J1 in time slot 1 to 2 in last deadline, then I can do job 4. So there is just one sequence possible, job 4 followed by job 1, and maximum profit I will get 195. Next example 2, let n equals to 8. 8 jobs are there. These are jobs followed by deadline and profits. Let you first write according to decreasing order of their profit. Highest profit is 40, I'll write 1 here. Next profit is 25, I'll write 2. Next profit is 18, I'll write 3. Next profit is 15, I'll write 4. Next 12, so 5, 10, I'll write 6. Next 9, I'll write 7 here, I'll write 8 here. And what is maximum deadline? Maximum deadline is 5. I'll create a Gantt chart, maximum deadline 5. Now highest profit is for J6, deadline is 5, so I'll keep J6 here. Next job 5, deadline is 2, so I'll keep job 5 here. Next job 1, deadline is 3, I'll keep job 1 here. Next job 4, deadline is 5, I can keep job 4 here. Next job 8, deadline is 3, I'll keep job 8 here. So job 2, job 3 and job 7 cannot be done as there are no time slot available for this. And what is maximum profit? I need to add profit of all, like 18 plus 15 plus 25 plus 40 plus 12. It's 110. So total profit I got 110. There are some other sequence also possible like J5, J1, J8. J1 and J8 both deadline are 3, so we can alter that. Next J5 deadline is 2. I can keep J5 in time slot 1 or in 2. And J4, J6 both deadline are 5, so I can alter that. Here I have written J4, J6. I can also do J6, J4. There can be multiple sequence possible. Next example 3, n equals to 9. Suppose question is asking which jobs are left out and maximum profit. So first I'll write all the job according to their decreasing order of profit. Job 3 profit is 30. I'll write 1 here. Next job 9 profit is 25. I'll write 2 here. Next job 7 profit 23. I'll write 3. Next job 2 profit 20. I'll write 4. Next job 4, job 5 profit are 18. I'll write 5 and 6 here. Next job 8, I'll write 7 here. Job 1, 8 and job 6, I'll write 9. And what is maximum deadline? Maximum deadline are 7. So I'll create a Gantt chart having maximum deadline 7. So highest profit I'm getting for job 3, profit 30, deadline is 5. So I'll write job 3 here. Next job 9, deadline is 3. I'll write job 9. Next job 7, deadline is 2. I'll write job 7. Next job 2, deadline is 2. I'll write job 2 here. Job 2 and job 7 we can switch. Both deadline are 2. Next job 4, deadline is 3. But first 3 slots are already full. So I cannot do job 4. Next job 5, deadline is 4. I'll write job 5 here. Next job 8, deadline is 7. I'll write job 8. Next job 1, deadline is 7. So I'll write job 1 here. Job 1 and job 8 can be altered. Both deadline are 7. So I'm skipping job 4 and job 6 as time slot are not available. Now what is total profit? I need to add all profit. So 15 plus 20 plus 30 plus 18 plus 23 plus 16 plus 25 is 147. So question can be asked which job are left out or which sequence you are considering, what is the maximum profit. First we need to arrange all the job according to their decreasing order of profit. Next we will create a Gantt chart according to highest deadline. Next we will fill the job according to their deadline. With this, I am finishing job sequencing with deadline. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thank you.